It's fugitive Australian journalist Shane Dowling from the website kangaroocourtofaustralia.com. Now, Fox employers jumped ship in the defamation case against Rupert Murdoch's Fox News and Fox Corporation in the US. And I think it could be a fatal blow because employee Abby Grossberg is claiming Fox News lawyers intimidated her and coached her to give, in effect, false evidence in the Dominion voting system's defamation case against Fox. And Fox have taken immediate legal action to try and silence her, try to get a suppression order on her. But irrespective of whether they succeed or not, that evidence is going to come out in the defamation case, which is set down for April this year. So they might be able to silence her for a couple of weeks, but that's about it. And then that's going to spill it into court. And if she's got evidence to back that up, the people like Rupert Murdoch and Lachlan Murdoch and the other directors of Fox News and Fox Corporation could be facing criminal charges because that's attempting to pervert the course of justice. Now, Abby Grossberg filed two claims, one in Delaware and one in New York, and she made numerous claims in those both those documents. But the key element was that she was coached and intimidated by Fox lawyers to give testimony she now regrets, an effort, she said, to get her and her former boss, Maria Bartiromo, to take the blame for the Dominion court case, in effect, saying it was all their fault. That tactic is one Rupert Murdoch used in the UK for many years in the phone hacking scandal, which is still going today, been going for 10 years odd. He's throwing a lot of the staff there under a bus. A number of them face criminal charges. A couple have gone to jail, like Andy Coulson went to jail. So for Abby Grossberg to claim that Rupert Murdoch and Lachlan Murdoch are trying to throw her and a former boss, Maria Bartiromo, under a bus is no surprise. Abby Grossberg is a current senior producer and head of booking for Tucker Carlson. For people in Australia who don't know who Tucker Carlson is, he's like the Andrew Bolt of the US. He lies and he deceives on behalf of Rupert Murdoch and Lachlan Murdoch, pushing their propaganda for their financial benefit. Now, I don't know how Rupert Murdoch and Lachlan Murdoch can survive the Dominion court case. Now, there is an opinion out there. They don't care. They don't care about their reputation. They'll keep on running it because they know they've got the Supreme Court in the US in their hip pocket that's been loaded up with Trump appointees, and they think they don't care about the court case because once they get it to the Supreme Court, they'll win because they'll hand down a biased opinion or biased judgment in favour of Rupert Murdoch and Lachlan Murdoch and their companies, Fox News and Fox Corporation. But if that doesn't happen, I think they're in a lot of trouble. I think Fox Corporation and Fox News and the other company they control, News Corporation, could end up going bankrupt. Because if Dominion win, there's going to be a lot of companies lining up to sue Fox Corporation and Fox News because they've done that same crap to a lot of companies. One that's already instituted proceedings is Smartmatic voting system. They're suing for $2.4 billion. But that's $2.4 billion and then $1.6 billion for Dominion. And there's talk that they'll get huge amounts of punitive damages as well. So that $4 billion in total can end up being, $6 billion, $10 billion, who knows? I wrote an article a few weeks ago saying they could end up being sued for $30 billion. And some people thought, oh, no, that's way too much. But there's 4 law firms in the US who are already advertising for shareholders in Fox Corporation to get in contact with them about a potential class action against the directors, which is Rupert Murdoch and Lachlan Murdoch, for breaching their duties to Fox shareholders. Now, this matter is live because it's only a few weeks away that the Dominion voting system's lawsuit will be heard in court. And then Rupert Murdoch and Lachlan Murdoch will have nowhere to run. And if Abby Grossberg gives evidence, and it's very powerful evidence, they could find themselves up on criminal charges for attempting to pervert the course of justice. Now, Abby Grossberg's claims only hit the media yesterday, but there's been very little or if no reporting in Australia about it. And given that it could have a huge financial impact on Fox News, Fox Corporation, and then potentially a flow onto News Corporation, you think the Australian media could and should be reporting it. Now, Kangaroo Court of Australia is independent media. I publish a YouTube channel, website, Facebook page and Twitter account. So please support us on Patreon and PayPal. That's how we finance the videos and articles. And please hit the like and subscribe button, and please share this video on Facebook and Twitter, etc. Other than that, thank you for your time and have a good day.